friends and health champions. I did a reel, but I didn't do my video for Ipsy. And I want to thank Ipsy because my products are gifted by Ipsy. First off, I don't have makeup. I'm getting ready to head to the airport, like my new crown. Anyways, I actually love these products by Alicia Keys. I got these in a previous video. I showed the Alicia Keys box, but I just had to shout them out again because I love this for exfoliation and for moisturizing. Oh my gosh, I love them. So shout out to that. Thank you so much, Ipsy. And this month, oh my gosh, September 2022, perfect. It's the You Got This. And this is the Glam Bag Plus, which is $28, but you get so much more in there. Like I've got 5 full-size products. Look at this. Makeup brushes. And let's see, we've got 50 treatment pads. This is also like a microdermabrasion. It's Simone Institute and it's Transport. We've got, oh yeah, I didn't even look at this. This is a signature palette by Symphony. I'm so tired. No, I'm not. I got a couple hours sleep. I'm gonna do good. I'm happy, so. Ooh, oh my. I hope this does justice on camera. This is so pretty. Hopefully you guys can see this. Pretty, oh my. I think this is worth it, the $28 alone. And let's see. Oh, makeup sponge by Quick Beat. I'm sorry I'm going quick, guys. I don't want to be boring. And also, I gotta get to the airport. Okay, and then Daption Deep Moisture Cream by Youth to the People. Youth to the People. So, $28. And what I love is, like, I'm not very knowledgeable about products and stuff like that, and I've actually gotten to use so many cool things and products that are better for me because of getting Ipsy. So on to the original, which I have gotten from the very first Glam Bag, like I don't know how many years ago, but so we're on to that one, and you get trial size. I love this pretty bag. Okay, and we've got I Woke Up Like This Skin Perfecting Primer. Love it. And ooh, fruit butter. It's a lip mask. Good stuff. I do got this. Thank you, Ipsy. This is so awesome. Let's see. And this has got, oh, mascara with avocado oil. Awesome. Yay. This is stuff I need anyways. So I am so excited. Oh, definer liner. Let's see. By Crate of London. Huh. I have to try that and see what that's like. And then last but not least is Glow Recipe. Oh, and did I mention the Glam Bag is $13? So you get to try these little $13. Yeah, by far more worth it. Okay, by Glow Recipe, we've got avocado recovery serum. And I'm gonna need that because I've only got, let's see, 3 hours of sleep, but that'll be okay. I'm gonna take a little cat nap on the plane and all that. And yeah, I'll be in Key West later today. And I'm not gonna yak too much. I just wanna give gratitude and just throw out love, and may everybody's day be filled with so much love and satisfaction. Namaste.